folks, this is Ofa. This week we have part 2 to last week's turmeric juice. So stay tuned. Before we get into our juice recipe, I'd like to talk about one of my favorite Bible verses, 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. God tells us that He does not want us to have a spirit of fear, but of love and of power and of a sound mind. If you find yourself being fearful about anything that's going on in your life or in this world, just remember 2 Timothy 7 verse 1, that's not what the Lord wants for you. He calls you to bring your burdens to Him, and He will give you His burden, which He says is easy and light. So this is pretty straightforward. It's a raw juice recipe, and the ingredients are here on the screen, and also I'll put it in the description box below. But the difference between this one and last week's was cooked. This one is raw and very potent and very good for everything that was listed on the benefits for last week's juice recipe. This one you take 2 to 3 times a day, and you take about a shot's glass worth. That's about 1/4 of a cup. Not that I know anything about taking shots, but we're not talking about me. So you just throw everything inside the blender, very easy, and then you can store it and it'll last you about a week and a half. After blending, pour it into the strainer over a container to catch the juice. I totally forgot to add the honey earlier, so here's the honey going in. While I was shooting the video, I had some very curious kids behind me that wanted to give it a taste test. I think they thought it was orange juice, but I wasn't going to burst their bubble. I'll let them taste it and see what they think. Are you sure?
Wait, let me see really fast.
Okay, let me just give you guys a funny content. Okay, Mario.
What is it?
Just
Only a little.
okay, only a little.
Is that my ball?
Go in my bathroom. Where's your mouth?
Is it my ball? Is it my ball?
You can do it, Bubba. Ready? Just take a half. There you go, folks. Start your kids on this stuff early and they'll like it. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and remember, no matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you at our table right here on Poly Vegan Kitchen.